I don't care how cold it is, I'm going to take a ride down the street. We moved into the mobile home because we sold our house, and then shortly after we moved in, my husband passed away. I've been handicapped for about 15 years. I don't have much use for my right leg. I have times when I can't even get my own groceries or go to a doctor's appointment. You know, it's just very strenuous to have to climb backwards up and down steps. There's so much I want to do and accomplish, and the ramp is going to take care of that for me in a big, big manner. When they brought the wood yesterday, I started getting so excited, and I hollered to my daughter, and I said, "You got to get over here and help me. I got to get ready and be ready for them." I want to do shopping myself, pick out my own flowers, and go over to Horrocks and Lansing and get a lot of good fruit. I just can hardly wait to get out there. So I don't want to cry, but I'm gonna. I'm so happy. I can't thank them enough. Can't thank them enough.